Many companies are jumping on board. What's the magic sauce?
It's the way all four technologies, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js just click together. Companies love how you can use JavaScript end-to-end, from the browser all the way to the database. It means faster development, easier hiring, and better collaboration.
Yeah, I've heard that too. One language, fewer headaches, less context switching. But is it just about developer convenience? Or are there performance bonuses too?
Honestly, both. You get rapid prototyping, but you also get a stack that's battle-tested for scale. For example, React is so snappy on the front end, and Node's event loop handles tons of connections without melting down. Hooks hands down. Interviewers love to ask about use state and use effect, how they work, what problems they solve. And then there's state management. Do you lift state up, use context, or bring in Redux?
Oh, Redux. So, Node.js interviews what's one Node question that makes even experienced developers sweat a little.
The event loop, for sure. People know the buzzword, but explaining how Node handles async tasks versus blocking code, that really separates the pros from the beginners.
It's wild how people can use Node for years and still struggle to explain that. Async handling, promises, callbacks, they're deceptively tricky. And then clustering comes up, right?
Exactly. Once you get into scaling, spinning up multiple node processes to use all CPU cores, it sounds intimidating, but it's so important for real-world apps. People often overlook it during interviews.
Funny you say that, because Express is another piece people underestimate. Questions about middleware or security can really stump folks. Let's touch on that next. So, when it comes to Express.js, why do interviewers obsess over middleware and security?
Middleware is the backbone of Express apps. It's how you handle everything from logging to authentication. If you can't explain how middleware is ordered or customized, it's a red flag for interviewers.
And then there's routing, sometimes the smallest detail, like route parameters or error handling trips people up. But MongoDB interviews can get even nerdier, right?
Totally. Indexes and aggregation pipelines are big ones. They want to know if you can make queries fast and design schemas that actually work at scale. Miss those, and your app crawls as you add users. You have to explain trade-offs and show you know where to optimize first.
Love that advice. Next week, we're diving into AWS and cloud services, so much to cover there. But for now, thanks for breaking down these MRN interview essentials.